Florida's once red-hot housing market is finally cooling down. Cities like Miami, Tampa, Sarasota are seeing home prices drop, inventory pile up, and demand slow down. But here in Ocala, the story looks completely different. Ocala continues to shine while the rest of the state cools off. And today, I'm going to break down exactly why. My name's Jordan Warren. I'm the host here at Ocala, Florida Living. I've got a lot to share with you, so stick around. Let's start with what's happening across Florida. Just a couple years ago, the entire state was one of the hottest real estate markets in the country. Homes were flying off the market, bidding wars were the norm, and prices surged. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing a major shift. Home prices in areas like Miami are down 4% compared to last year. In Tampa, it's closer to the 6% drop. A big reason is affordability. Property insurance has gotten extremely expensive, and taxes are climbing. And the cost of living is squeezing buyers out of some of the big city markets. Now, for sellers in those areas, it's a much tougher environment, but Ocala is telling a completely different story. Here in Ocala, the median home price is holding steady between $275,000 to $285,000. That's not just affordable for Florida, it's actually about 36% lower than the national average. We currently have just over 5 months of inventory, which means buyers have more options, but the market isn't flooded. Homes are spending somewhere around 75 to 85 days on the market, which is no longer during the frenzy of a couple years ago, but we're still showing that demand is healthy. And what makes Ocala really attractive is that balance. Prices aren't spiking out of control like they did before, but they are also not crashing like we're seeing in some of the major Florida cities. That balance creates stability, and stability is something buyers and sellers both want in today's market. On top of that, interest rates have dipped down to about 6.57%, the lowest we've seen in about 10 months. That may not seem huge to you right now, but the average home in Ocala, that drop translates to about $80 a month in savings. Over the course of a year, that's nearly $1,000 back in a buyer's pocket, and it's not just resale homes. Builders are competing really hard for buyers right now. Across Florida, they're offering incentives like covering closing costs, including upgrades, and even making a small price cuts to get buyers off the sidelines and back in the market. So if you're looking at new construction in Ocala, this could be one of the best times to negotiate a really great deal. And I like to touch on this one. Another factor that makes Ocala shine is lifestyle. We're known as the horse capital of the world. We've got growing amenities, easy access to Orlando and Tampa, and one of the most affordable cost of living setups in the entire state of Florida. That combination, affordability, stability, and lifestyle is what keeps demand consistent here. Even when other Florida markets are slowing down, Ocala likes to move at its own pace. So while the rest of the Florida housing market is cooling down, Ocala is proving to be different. With affordable prices, more inventory, lower rates, and strong buyer opportunity, it's one of the brightest spots in the state of Florida right now. If you're thinking about moving to Ocala, or if you're already here and want to take advantage of these market conditions, I'd love to help you navigate it. Reach out anytime and let's talk about your next move. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Ocala, Florida Living for more real estate updates just like this, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the Ocala market. I would love to hear what you think.